How to remove black dots on iPhone screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to remove those pesky black dots on your iPhone screen, ensuring your display is functioning properly. So, first things first, open up your settings and then head over to accessibility. And under display and text size, you'll find motion. So tap on it and then uh, if you find it toggled on, then toggle off the reduce motion option. So these black dots are actually a new feature in iOS 18 designed to help to reduce motion sickness by showing vehicle motion cues. So if you don't need this feature, you can just simply turn it off. And that's it. I hope this helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.